Where's the picture with Papa Z? Let me see. Turn the page. That's Hayden. What's that? Who's that? That's Papa Z in the picture. Yeah. Where's the picture of Papa Z? Oh, where's the picture of Papa Z? Okay. Okay, let's here. Where's the picture of Papa Z? Where's the picture of Papa Z? Show Mommy. No. Spot. Open. Monkey. Let's close the door. Where's Spot? Hayden, are you stuck? Is he behind the door? No, that's a bear. Is he in the clock? Open. No, that's a snake. Is he under the piano? No, that's a hippo. Is he under the stairs? No, that's a lion. Is he in the closet? Open. No, that's a monkey. Is he under the bed? No, that's a crocodile. Is he in the chest? No, those are penguin birds. Yeah. Turn the page. Turn the page. Is he under the rug? No, that's a turtle. Turn the page. Is he in the back? There he is! There's Spot. Yeah, you found him. And there's Spot's mommy. You did it.